bell peppers, the sliced red grapes, and the totally organic sprout mix that I had put together from the weekend. This is the Kung Fu Yam cooked food that I had put the red palm oil in. This is actually coming. That mix made 2 of these. I froze one and then I put the other one for this witch with the food. So that's what you see. This is going to go to the Greys, the Conyers, and the Minimakas. I don't give this to the parrotlets. They don't seem to like it. So I don't waste my time with that. The bell peppers, and these are actually some pine cones with some pinon nuts in them. And I got these as foraging items for the larger birds, the Conyers, the Minimakas, and the Greys. They like to have a good experience with them, so I'd recommend them highly to anyone who would like to get some foraging items for their flock. Hey, you looking for me? Huh? Hi. What you saying, huh? What you saying? Yeah, I gave you a big kiss. You give me a kiss? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Thank you.